Hello chemistry learners. Today we see about the partially miscible system with upper and lower CST. In previous classes, we see the partially miscible system with lower CST and upper CST and what is CST. Today we see about the partially miscible system with upper and lower CST. Example for that one is nicotine and water system. In this case is very special one because in previous cases there is once the CST in it, but in this case we have both the CST, that upper and lower CST present in this one water system, nicotine water system. We have the critical solution temperature above the room temperature and also below the room temperature. In these two temperatures, the system forms the completely miscible system. So we can see the nicotine and water system. This, we have the phase diagram of nicotine water system here. Here 100% water and here 100% nicotine. Here represent the increase percentage of weight of nicotine towards 100%. Here y-axis represented by the temperature. In nicotine water system, we know that there is a two critical solution temperature. So first we have to heat the nicotine water system up to 210 degrees Celsius. Up to 200 degrees Celsius, there is two phase, that the partially miscible system, but at 208 degrees Celsius, the partially miscible system turns into a completely miscible one. So then we have to cool the solution. Then it's also turn out into the partially miscible one. At the 61 degrees Celsius, again the system forms the completely miscible solution at 61 degrees Celsius. At the degree Celsius, the percentage of nicotine is 22 degrees Celsius. So from the phase diagram of nicotine water system, there is a two phase of critical solution. One is upper, another one is lower. The upper critical solution temperature is 208 degrees Celsius at 32% of weight of nicotine. And at 61% degree Celsius, there is a lower critical solution temperature of 22% of nicotine. Next, we see about the effect of impurities of the CST. When we add impurities like salts or other chemicals to the partially miscible system, the temperature of completely partially miscible system of CST, which occurs at completely miscible one, it changes whether it is increases or it decreases. For example, we take the upper CST of a phenol water system, we add the salts like sodium chloride, it affects the interaction of phenol and water. So the CST of the phenol water system is increases. Then we add the same like salts or other chemicals to the triethylamine water system, which has lower CST. It affects the hydrogen bonding or attract with the attraction of triethylamine water. So it decreases the lower CST of triethylamine water. So the impurities affects the molecular interaction in the partially miscible system. It affects the critical temperature points of the system. So it may be either or increases or it decreases. It depends upon the CST of the system. So from today's video, we have clear idea about the partially miscible system with upper and lower CST. For example, for this system is nicotine and water system. It has both upper CST and lower CST. First, we have to heat the nicotine water system up to 210 degrees Celsius. At 208 degrees Celsius, the partially miscible system turns out into the completely miscible, and we have to cool the temperature up to 60 degrees Celsius. At 60 degrees Celsius, the temperature again, the partially miscible system of a nicotine and water system makes the completely miscible one at the percentages of 32 and 22% of nicotine. Then we have see the effects of impurities on the CST. If addition of the salts or chemical substances to CST partially miscible system, it affects the CST of the system. Whether it is increases or decreases, it depends upon the CST of the system. Okay, learners. Tomorrow we see the another interesting topic. Thank you for watching. Thank you.